Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. If you are new, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my future video. I upload them every week. So today I'm gonna do this nail set. It's so cute. I love it so much hard. And the product that I reviewed today is really good. So the product I'm doing review today is from Born Pretty. It was so nice of them sending over to me a few items for me to do the review. So the first item is their top coat reflection gel, and this is the one I'm wearing right here on my nail. It's a top coat, so it's kind of clear and they have like a silver glitter in it. So beautiful. You can apply it on any color because it's a top coat. The second item is top coat. It's an eggshell top coat. I'm pretty sure this one usually come out matte. I didn't use it today, but it seemed really interesting. So the third item is called Watercolor Nail Art. So I think this might be like a blooming gel. It's a really interesting product. I mean, I will try them soon. And this one is their gel color. And I love this red color. I'm using this color today. It's kind of like a garnet red, not too bright, not too dark. And I really love it. And the last item is a really interesting product. This one is called Solid Nail Tip Gel. So I have something similar like this. I got them from Vessi. It's like a solid gel. Like the texture is hard, but I think the texture from this one it's harder than the other one that I have. As you can see how hard it is, and to able to get the product out, I have to get something to kind of like scoop them out. You cannot use the brush with this because you can see how thick they are. Definitely like how the nail, says it's a solid gel. And with this one, you can also roll them on your finger and it doesn't stick to your skin. So at first I was concerned, I don't know if it would stick to the nail when you apply or not, but it's a really interesting product. And I'm also do the review on this nail tip today. Is a BTArtbox. This nail tip sold on Amazon and they are one of the best selling on Amazon, and they sent it over to me to do the review. And to be honest, I really like them. It's just that you can see right here, this is the biggest size on this nail tip, and I place it on my nail. It's a little bit bigger than my nail. So if you have a big finger, the thumb might not fit, but if you have like a regular size, then they will be fine. But I really love the shape of this nail. So as you can see, I just prepped the nail with some acetone. I just edge it inside and I'm good to go. I don't have to file it. So right here I'm trying to just do the nail tip and scoop it out and place it on my nail. So at first when I do it this way, as you can see, the gel didn't really stick on the nail tip. So I was a little bit struggling. But when I kind of like push it out hard, place it down, making sure there's no air bubble, and I place my nail in the light and it cured pretty well. So if you are using this product, don't worry about it when you're not used to it yet, but when they cure, the nail will stay still. So you can see after a cure, the nails stay still and they stay pretty strong. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the next finger. So after a few nails, this take a little bit practice for me. And I figured it out. I took it out and I kind of roll it on my finger before I place it on the nail tip, and I push it out. The gel actually stick on the nail tip better than just like how I do right here. I scoop it up. I didn't roll it. So after that, the few last nail, I didn't film it, but that's what I did. I roll it on my finger and I place it on a nail, and it's so much easier to hold the nail and cure in the light. So this nail tip, the shape is really nice. I really love how narrow the nail in with the coffin shape. So I didn't have to shape that much, just the tip area only. And I'm using this diamond bit to file around the cuticle area just to blend them in, to make them natural and flesh in. so I didn't really file the whole nail, just around the cuticle area only. So I really love how the way I doing nail this way, because it's so easy and fast, and it's really beginner friendly. If you are new to the nail, this way is the best way to try it out. After that, I'm just buffing my nail and get ready for the nail to get polished, which is the fun part. And here is how the nail looks like after being shaved and buffed. So I'm gonna apply some base coat today. I use 2B Glam base coat. Apply really thin layer on all of the nails, and I cure the nail in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I forgot earlier, I said when I cure the nail in the lamp, every single nail, when I apply the solid gel, I think I did every single nail like around 30 seconds to make sure it cure and stay still. And after that, when I did all the nail, I put them all in the light and cure for 60 seconds one more time, just to make sure everything cure. So today I'm gonna use this Luna and Later nude color from Kira Sky. And this nude color is one of my favorite nude color. Like, I try a lot of nude color, but I always tend to love this one. And I did 2 coat of this color. So I'm gonna do like a friend tip. So I use this nude at a base. And the ring finger, I'm gonna use this white color from Inyo Couture. And this white color is one of my favorite white polish. It's a really solid color. It's covered really well. As you can see, only 1 coat. It's covered the nail really well. But I still end up doing 2 coat because I want to do some design on the ring finger. And the index finger, I'm using the red color from Born Pretty. And I love this red so much. I mean, I'm not a big fan of red color, but this red is really got me. I really like it. But I do love it when it's shiny. When I try on matte, the color kind of changed the way it look. Okay, so after I did 2 coat on all of the nails, I applying some matte top coat before I doing the front tip and the design. I really love to apply matte top coat before I do that, because somehow with the matte, when I draw, the design and the front tip look really nice. And I'm gonna use this brush from Inyo Couture to do the dip fringe, and I use the same red color with the color earlier to do the fringe. So I'm gonna draw the dip fringe. As you can see, when I apply the matte top coat, the color of the red kind of changed to kind of like a darker tone of red, which is not my favorite. I kind of like it when it's shiny better. So with the dip fringe, this is usually how I do it. I do the line in the middle first, just to make sure the length of the nail that I draw the fringe will be the same. And then I will draw the curl and then the line on the side and fill it in a little bit. And then I will use the nail brush from the gel bottle to fill it in the rest of the nail. And because I do this, I only do 1 coat. I don't want to repeat the second coat. So when I paint it, I'm making sure everything nicely even, so I don't have to do the second coat. So after I'm done, I cure in the lamp for at least 20 seconds so the gel can be cure, not moving around. And I move on to the next finger. I repeat the same thing on this middle finger, how I did with the pinky with the French. Okay, so this is a fun part. I gotta say, in this nail set, this ring finger is my favorite because it's so cute. So I use the same red color to draw a heart. And usually when I see this design, I always wanted to try it out. But most of them, they all draw the heart kind of like straight and even. And when I did this heart, it was cute, but it wasn't straight. But I still love it the way it looked. it's kind of like a little bit lean into on the side. So what I did right here, I get a little bit of white and I mix with that red color. Right here, I'm trying to make like a dark pink color to do the outline of the heart. So today I'm just going to use these two color, white and that red, to making the color for this heart design from darker to lighter. So I repeat the same thing, drawing a heart, but I do the outline from where the heart that I already draw. So with this design, it's not hard. It's just that we have to mix the color and have a little bit of patience. Keep repeating the same thing until you kind of almost cover the whole entire nail. And every single time I draw, I cure the nail in the lamp for 15 to 20 seconds so the design can cure, not moving around. So you can see right here, I putting that dark pink, mix it with the white to make some light pink for the next color. So today I'm just gonna mix only like, you know, 2 colors to so the design like around 3 color. But with this, it depend on, you know, you can mix more color if you want. So I repeat the same thing. I draw on this light pink around the next heart. I know right here doesn't show a lot, but when the next color I come back to that dark red and it show that pink really well. And at first I did wanted to make this ring finger in matte finish, but somehow when the whole nail was shiny and just one nail matte, it doesn't really go together. So I still end up keeping this ring finger in shiny, and it come out still pretty cute. I like it. And you can see the heart is kind of lean to the side a little bit, but I really like it. Okay, so the next finger, I just draw a really simple little heart in white and the light pink that I mixed the color earlier on the whole nails. I just do maybe like 5 of them, like a small heart. Okay, so after all the design is done, I'm applying the top coat on all of the nails. And the next part is so fun. I mean, this is my first time using this pom-pom. I have it for a long time, but I never get a chance to try it. So this time I try it. So I apply some gel glue and put in the magnet in. I cured it out in the lamp. And I love it so much. I definitely gonna use this pom-pom more and more in the future. It's so cute. It's so fun. Just when you have it, don't forget to take it up before you wash your hand because the pom-pom gonna get wet. But it's so cute. And of course, I cannot have enough rhinestone on my nail. I gotta have some, at least a little bit. I don't go crazy this time, but yeah, I just have it around the cuticle area on the pinky and the thumb. I can't help myself. I'm a glitter, a rhinestone addict. But it's fun. I have so much fun making this nail, you know. I will link it down below, all of the product I do review today and use today down the description box if you guys are interested, because I love all the product I use today. It's really, really nice, especially that red color. And the nail tip, I love it. I mean, it's really sturdy, even it's not made out of gel, and the shape is perfect. I love it. And comment down below, let me know if you guys like the nail like this, and you want me to try any new product that you're interested in, you can also tell me. I really love to try new product. Okay, so after the nail is done here, I'm applying some cuticle oil on this one from Couture, and I love the smell, like a bubble gum. Alright, I put my pom-pom back on, and here it is, it's done. Thank you so much guys for watching, and here's the finished look. I hope you guys likes it, and I wish you can have a wonderful day. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.